Hello and welcome to Main Street Party of Four. Today we are checking out a studio in the Island Tower here at the Poly. This is room 8507.
Welcome home!
One thing to remember when you're going into the Island Tower, you have to use your magic band in order to get elevator access. That's new. That's really to keep people from going through, going up to the garden terrace that aren't staying here. There's been a lot of internet rumors that you can get up the stairwell and bypass that. However, they have put locks on the stairwells so that that can't happen. Here's the lobby. Absolutely stunning. I'll put a link in the comments to our video that we did when we came and did the preview here. But as you walk out, you can see the Contemporary there. Grand Flow's right over there. There's Walulu Bar and Grill. And the OG Poly. So we've been in the room for a couple of minutes now, but when you walk in, you have the storage with the automatic lights. Really cool. Your safes there. Big walk-in shower. Toilet area that has a frosted glass privacy door. Big lavatory, but it is a single lavatory, but you do have a lot of sink space. You do have storage here with some USB ports, a nice little sitting area, a very huge desk area, queen size bed. You have the Murphy bed here, an entire island over here that has your DVC amenities like your microwave, your coffee maker, and your refrigerator. And for the first time ever, a dishwasher inside of the studio. You have your toaster up here. You do have stoneware in here, not the plastic stuff, which is really nice. And of course, like most DVC rooms, all DVC rooms for that matter, you have a balcony. We do have a resort view, so we get to see the Grand Floridian. I think probably Scott and Kathleen are over there somewhere. Tom and Pam, hi guys. And we do overlook the parking lot, the golf course, but the monorail, and that's always a cool thing, is when you're sitting on your balcony, drinking your coffee in the morning, seeing the monorail go by. So, all right, and like I said before, people have been talking about how they can just get into these gates, into these doors, and you can't. They're locked. You have to scan your magic band to get them unlocked. So,
I'm Aiden, and I'm from Nowhere You Should Know. Don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street Party of Four!